Hello all, here we are in downtown Beaufort, South Carolina. Had to take a break and come down for some coffee and gelato. I don't know if I can pan down, yep, see? Oh my goodness, it's a wonderful little waterside cafe here. We were here last fall actually, and so it's nice to be back. Rained a little bit this morning, but it has cleared up and it is just a beautiful day. Having a great time and enjoying it. Good morning from Adventures Await. This is the view we have as we come up out of the boat in the morning, and we're going to give you a little tour of Ladies Island Marina and show you where we've been staying for the past week and a half or so. Inside the boat it's kind of a little bit of a mess, but we're trying to clean up a little bit and start organizing some things. And Sharon is in the galley finishing up cleanup after breakfast. She made wonderful French toast this morning, and it was just really good. So here's Adventures Await in our slip here at Ladies Island Marina. Thought we'd just kind of give you a tour and walk you around a little bit as we walk down our finger pier. If we look out to the right, once we get here, you'll see we're actually on Factory Creek, which is right off the Beaufort River, which is part of the ICW. And so this is a great place just through the swing bridge at Beaufort Swing Bridge, just past there. And we've been here for about a week and a half already. We walk up the gangplank here, the gangway. You can see that it's not very steep right now. The tide is, I think, coming in. And later on, this will just be really steep to walk up to the main dock here. There's an 8-foot tide here in Beaufort, so it's really quite an amazing tide and fun to watch the current go in and out. So we walk this long main deckway or dockway area up to the main building. And that's where the bathrooms are. There's a yoga studio, little store, and the main headquarters. So this is the main dock area, and we pan towards land, and you can see there's some, I don't know, condos or whatever. There's also a really nice dockside restaurant. It's not part of the marina at all, but they serve wonderful seafood if that's something you enjoy, which we really don't. But this is the main walkway to the back of the marina building anyway, and right through the middle there's a gift store, there's restrooms, showers, laundry, main office. It's just been a really nice place to stay. We'll just walk through the middle here and you can kind of see what it looks like. back to the boat out of the finger here. Some of these boats look like they have not been moved in quite some time. This is our view from the cockpit area, and as we pan around you can see we got our multifunctional display back. We're just very excited to have that so that we can navigate with that rather than using an iPad or an iPhone. Well, we hope you enjoyed that. It at least gave you a little bit of a flavor of where our boat is. We are now, obviously, as you look around, we're back in Michigan. We're up here for about a week and a half. We're going to celebrate my mom's 80th birthday this coming weekend, and that will be fun. We've been getting together with family and with friends, and it's been good to be here. So next Tuesday we will leave and travel back to South Carolina, back to the boat. It'll be exciting to get back there as well. And we will go up the east coast of the U.S. as far as Boston, maybe into Maine a little bit, and then we will turn around and head back south and winter in the Bahamas again this coming fall. So that'll be great. Anyways, we hope you enjoyed just a little bit of what we're doing, and we'll talk to you soon.